Hello guys, welcome to SEO Discovery channel, and today we have a strategy manager of SEO Discovery, Mr. Sachin with us. Welcome Sachin.
Thank you, Navjeet. Thank you so much.
So how are you?
I'm doing great. How are you?
I'm also good. So Sachin, I have some questions like आज की डेट में AI searches का बहुत ज़्यादा काम आ रहा है और AI searches के बारे में लोग बहुत बात कर रहे हैं. So I have some questions regarding that. So, firstly, I want to know why AI ranking is becoming a crucial factor for online visibility in 2025.
Okay. See, Navjeet, right now you can see that AI is a game changer for online visibility right now. And if you are getting ranking on AI, that's mean your business going to be very growth rate. Why I'm saying that? Because as you can see, people not no more searching on Google anymore. They are looking for like AI agents, chat GPT, being AI to search their queries. They are doing voice search. They're asking a chat GPT a personalized questions. They are asking chat GPT, and also you can see in your phone as well as you can you have a Gemini option. You have chat GPT. Even Perplexity has a tie-up with Airtel as well as to give a free of cost their engine. So what happening is people are now using ChatGPT more and more, and in last 1 year you can see that even along ChatGPT traffic has been like 50 billion visits has been coming in 1 year for ChatGPT. So this is the indication that people are more searching, and if your business is ranking on ChatGPT, it's a game changer for you.
So, how SEO help the businesses to rank on AI power engine like ChatGPT, Google SEO, or Bing AI? How SEO help?
See, what SEO doing is SEO plays a bridge role. So what happening is SEO make your content, because what all the AI platform they use resources, they use sources from third party, and from the example they're using third party links, they're using content to give the user based on the user queries. So to optimize that content as per the AI perspective, SEO play a very important role, because with the help of SEO you can make your content understood, trusted, and you can make your website cited on a website in which AI model take the resources. Not so. What happening is right now the SEO play, if you're doing SEO for your website, you need to combine SEO with AI perspective, the LM SEO perspective, and that's how this SEO plus AI game can be achievable.
तो ट्रेडिशनल एसईओ और आज की एआई एसईओ में क्या फर्क लगता है आपको? क्या ट्रेडिशनल एसईओ डेड है इसके साथ?
Yes, see, before the traditional SEO we were doing, we were only working on the keywords. We have a set of landing pages and we want to get rank on based on those keywords. We want to rank our website on Google. Our SERP links, everything is coming up. But now what happening is now AI SEO is not just a keyword anymore. It's all about semantic content, structured data content that can be picked by AI instantly. So that's, you can say that traditional SEO before we were only working on the keyword ranking on our keywords. We have set of rules, we have set of algorithm. With the help of that, we were doing our SEO. But now AI SEO, we have query based keywords, intent based keywords, and semantic content strategy we are implementing. And obviously, the technical aspects are also based on bot crawlability, like fixation on the website. So that's how we're doing AI SEO, that is compared with the traditional SEO.
Okay, that's very informative, Sachin. So I just want to know how businesses optimize their content to get cited in AI generated answers and summaries.
Okay, so my answer is simple for that. Like I already mentioned to you, if any business want to get cited in AI answers, what they need to do is they need to create a very authoritative content, a well-structured content they need to create, and also ChatGPT and other AI models are a conversational base. So what we need to do is we also need to provide a conversational content that can cover intent deeply, or also you can add some schemas to provide that markup, like to give a link to the crawler, the bot crawler, that this is the content and this will help you. And also you can create a brand authority. Very important if you need to create a building topical authority for your website. Like in the other third party resources, you need to provide your website links to make your keywords authoritative to that topical. So that's how you can get cited in AI answers.
Okay. So what are the benefit of combining AI SEO with AI ranking with the SEO?
See, the real advantage of say combining the SEO with AI ranking strategy is like for a long-term growth. Why I'm saying that? Because now you are not only chasing for keyword ranking, you are building a visibility across every platform that we call like search everywhere SEO, we say search everywhere strategy. So what you're doing right now is with the combining AI SEO and SEO, you can rank on everywhere. We have Google, we can rank on ChatGPT, very high number of upcoming search engine and population source. So where you also can get rank, and you can also future proofing your branding. Because right now you can see that in future people are more converting to the AI agents. And what AI agents are doing, that they are looking, they are doing our job, they are searching, they are doing our work. So these AI agents, we can, with the help of ASO, we can visible to them as well as in future, and we can stay ahead with the competition, because right now it's a new thing and not every person is doing, every business is not doing it. So we have a great chance. Say if we combine SEO with AI, we can staying ahead with our competitors, because they are just even though they are doing SEO from 10 years, but if you start from today and if you start from the starting, you can work on AI SEO, you can get rank on AI platform, and you can get the result, you can get your business grow.
Okay. So सचिन SEO discovery इसको implement कर रहा है अभी?
Yes, indeed, we are implementing that, and recently, like we have given even example. You can see by self the SEO discovery. We have ranked SEO discovery on all the AI platform. We are ranking number one on ChatGPT, Gemini, Perplexity, Claude. We are ranking on all the platform in AI. Apart from that, our content strategy and everything is aligned with the AI SEO. And also, we are creating a brand authority and topical authority. Even the one of the example is we are doing podcasts. This podcast is also a type of authority providing us ranking on AI results. So yeah, we're doing that.
So thank you so much, Sachin. This is very insightful podcast for the users. So thank you for coming to the channel.
Thank you so much, Nate. It was nice talking to you.
Have a good
You too. You too. Bye bye.